Hello, my name is Lauren Clark, and today I will be going over a potential career choice of mine, which would be HR Organizational Development Specialist. The duties/job descriptions of an OD specialist would be to help plan, coach, and consult with individuals and teams to solve any organizational problems or challenges. They also design and implement training and performance programs. Examples of these can include finding a way to increase learning effectiveness or product knowledge amongst employees of a company. It is also super important to collaborate and communicate with staff and management. That is a really big key part of the job as well. The requirements for education are pretty slim. The only thing you really have to do is have a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. Examples of this can be training and development, human resources, education, instruction and design, business administration, or social sciences. Organizations also look for candidates with a background in technology or computer science, and also taking classes or a seminar can enhance your skills and make you a more well-rounded candidate, but either of those are not required, they're just recommended. Why I chose to major in psychology was due to my family fostering from a young age. I was able to see kids come in and out of my home and hear their stories and challenges. I wanted to know why they acted the way they did and how it impacted them. I was drawn to psychology not only because I wanted to help people, but because I wanted to understand how to better their lives. Social psychology was always a big interest of mine, which is why I feel I lean towards the industrial organizational major. When planning out my classes, I was super excited to take all of the psych courses and learn as much as possible from each course. I feel that working in HR will not only satisfy my want to use psychology as a background in my future, but also the social and environmental factors that I look for in a future career path. My goals, as they compare to the reasons listed in Chapter 13, are that I am very interested in the subject of psychology and the human brain, but I would not like to take this on a professional level and be a psychologist, academic psychologist, social worker, or teacher myself. On the same note, I do not want to go to a master's or doctorate program. I just want to graduate with my bachelor's and see where in the workforce I can apply myself. If I need to, I will go back to school after a few years, but for right now I just want to focus on my bachelor's. I do believe that psychology is a good undergraduate degree to help me prepare and understand myself and others, and I want to use my degree to work in industrial organizational psychology or HR. That was the end of my presentation. I hope that you learned something or found something interesting. Thank you for your time.